Welcome to my channel. I am Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are all having a great day. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a cloud effect pour using my new cloud pour cup. I got quite a few requests for a bigger cup, so voila, here it is. I have a 10-ounce cloud pour cup now available, and it's excuse me, it still has the two front chambers. This cup holds 2 tablespoons in this side and then 2 tablespoons in that side, and then the whole cup holds 10 ounces all together. So I also have the 6-ounce cup, and those chambers in the front only hold 1 ounce each. So this is got double the amount on each side, and then 10 ounces of paint total. So I'm going to go over real quick the cloud mix that I use. I do have a tutorial, I can link that in the description. But what I use for my cloud mix is bare satin enamel, paint and primer in one, ultra pure white with the 𝗍𝗍𝗶𝗆 medium. I use 2 parts. In this case, when I mixed it, I used 2 ounces of the bare satin enamel, 1 ounce of the 𝗍𝗍𝗶𝗆 medium, 2 ounces of Floetrol, 1 tablespoon of, let me get it, my golden GAC 800 that I like to use, and also about 1 to 2, depending on the consistency of your other paints, but for me it's about 1.5-ish cups. Not cups, caps. That would be a way big difference. 1.5 capfuls of water, and then you're good to go. So the colors, I've kind of got a bunch of different colors. I don't normally use more than, for me, like 6 colors for me is max. I don't like to use a ton of different colors. But I've got some that I want to get rid of, a little bit left in my bottles, so I'm gonna try to use some of those up. And all of these other paints that I've got here are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water, and they're mixed about 1 part paint to 2.5 parts pouring medium. Now, if you're new and you're using craft paints or different paints, you have to pay attention to that, because I use more medium body paints and sometimes heavy body, and you will need more pouring medium. And you have to adjust accordingly, and you'll learn that as you go and experiment. So the first color that I've got here, I've got just a little bit left. That one is, I've got the bottles here. Oh, you know what? I don't have that bottle. That one is Art Aquamarine. It's a metallic. This one here, I don't know if you can see that real well, but it's a metallic purple I mixed up ages ago. So I don't even know exactly what's in here. And this one here is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see that. I had a little bit of a couple colors left. I had, let's see, this one is the Fine Touch Pink, and then Liquitex Basics Medium Magenta, but I don't have the bottle. And then I had a little bit of a 𝗍𝗍𝗶𝗆 Iridescent Violet Blue. I mixed that in there, and it's super, super pretty. Some of the other colors, I've got 2 purples mixed together, Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple, and then Blick Deep Violet. I've also got some Soho Mineral Blue, and that's out on empty. Sad day, I like that blue. And then also the Fine Touch Teal. I've got 2 from DecoArt, 24 karat gold, and then copper. And let's see, 1 more here. I've got some from Rowney. I've got Phthalo Turquoise. If I add any more, I'll let y'all know. I do have a Soho Payne's Gray set aside just in case. I'll let you know if I use that one. And then all of my colors will be in the description as well. That way you'll know for sure if I had added something and maybe forgot to tell y'all. So I'll try to be aware of that. Alright, so get my lids off here. They're always all over the place when I take them off. I'm trying to kind of empty out some of these bottles so I can wash, you know, get them washed out and make fresh colors. So that's kind of why I'm doing, you know, part of the reason why I'm doing this. So there's usually a method to my madness. Sometimes my husband wonders, but you know, that's what I'm going with. So we'll see if it works this time. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to start with my cloud mix, and I'm not filling up the whole thing, okay? So I'm gonna start with the one side and just squeeze it in there. Okay. All right. Now, I'm doing something different. I don't know if I've done this yet this way, but I'm going to put some, let's see, mineral blue. I'm gonna put my cap back on for this one, just to make sure I get it in there right. I'm gonna put some mineral blue on top of that Cloud Effect white. And I think I've got it all the way there. I don't want it to go spill over. It is a little bit, but that happens, I guess. Sometimes it's hard to eyeball stuff. Anyway, so then on this other side, I am going to start with some gold. Yeah, you know what? I don't know if I want to do gold. This has a tendency of going crazy, but you know what? I'm going to try it anyway. I'm going to do it anyway. So let me put my cap back on for that one. I'm kind of winging it. I wasn't really sure how I was going to do it, but that's how it's going to go. Because again, I want to get rid of some of these. All right, and then I'm going to fill the rest of it up with the cloud pour. So I've put cloud pour on both sides, one in the bottom and one a little bit on in the top. So again, I'm just kind of experimenting and having a little fun with this today. All right, so now I'm going to put some purple. Start with this purple in the bottom. I don't have a set order, I'm winging it. Again, it's just one of those things. We'll go with some teal. And for those of you that are new, spilling it all over, new to my channel, I also have a Facebook group. It's called Acrylic Pouring with Friends. And it is a really great, fun group. I just hit 21,000 members, so I'm super happy about that. So if you're looking for an acrylic pouring group, you know, go check that one out. You guys get to post all of your, you know, all of your links and everything. There's no limit on how many photos you can post and stuff like that. I know sometimes it's a little tricky to follow all the rules, and I don't really have too many. So if you're interested in a group, go check mine out. Very, very helpful people. If I am not on right away and can't get to if you have a question, I've got a lot of wonderful people that help me out and answer a question if they can. So anyway, go check it out, Acrylic Pouring with Friends. And I love that group, so so go check it out. All right, I'm still trying to get this filled up here. All right. So you can see that gold there is kind of taken over, but okay, what I'm going to do first is I'm gonna I'm gonna dump this the Payne's gray. I'm gonna dump that on. That way it'll have something to help it slide over when I start to move it. It won't pull itself under the beginning there. Okay, that's that's about all I'm gonna do right there. Oops. And then I'm just gonna, whoop, you know what, I think real quick though, I'm gonna pop these air bubbles. If you guys saw my last cloud pour video, I had some air bubbles that I did not like, so. Alright guys, here we go. Okay, I didn't stick my finger in it, that's good. Wow, that looks really pretty. So, I'm gonna pop these air bubbles, because a couple of these I did have to give a little shake there. And I'm loving the center here, super pretty. I'm just gonna start doing the circle, and that's how, if you guys haven't watched before or haven't done a cloud pour or not getting your results, the best way that I have found is to circle it around. You will open up your clouds and then you can assess where you're gonna go. Loving all of this. That's so pretty. So I think I'm going to go this way and start down in this corner. And you can wiggle it, and it definitely helps guide your paint. Now I kind of tipped it off a little more than I was going to, but it's fine. So I want to open it up, so I'm going to go back up this way. Okay, and I think, wow, I am loving that gold and purple and teal. Now the copper looks like it might be getting dumped off, but you know, sometimes it's unavoidable, but maybe I can stretch it. It's in there, it's in the, mixed in those colors, so that's really, really pretty. I'm just going to drag it back up this way and then go up that way, and I'm going to kind of see where I'm going from there. Okay, I'm going to run this back. Wow, holy moly guys, that's gorge. Woo! Okay, I'm super excited about this. Wow, those clouds are amazing. Wow, my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys. Love, love, love that. Make sure my corners are covered. That cloud mix is just, if you guys are having trouble, seriously, and you've tried other things, try the Vallejo Bare Satin Enamel.
Alright guys, so here we go with the dried photos. So if you remember, when I used the 10-ounce cloud pour cup, I put a little bit of cloud pour mix in each chamber. And I was playing around a little bit because this was the first time that I was using the cup. And wow, I love the results that I am getting. Just look at those clouds. There's just so much about this painting that I love. The clouds are amazing. I love the way the colors come up through the clouds. And just look at how that gold is highlighting the clouds. The way that the paint in the top chamber cascades down from the top spout into the bottom spout and then creates almost like a pillow on your canvas. And then the cloud pour mix comes out at just the right time and you can see these gorgeous, gorgeous clouds that it creates. So I am so proud of this cup, you guys. If you are having trouble with your cloud pour paintings, or you just want an easier way to do a cloud pour painting, this cup is for you. It truly, truly does work. It is now available in my Etsy shop. Link is in the description. And I really do hope you enjoyed this video today as much as I did. I have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.